In this video, we're going to be looking at memory, computer memory. Computer memory is basically the computer's way of storing data and preferences and processes that your computer will run on a pretty much daily basis. It's not for saving files or anything like that. That's for your hard drive. This is actual memory on, say, like passwords to log into the computer. It also would be for processes or preferences that you have saved on your computer to your personal preference. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at basically what your computer memory looks like first, and then how to install it into your desktop. So let me switch over to my desktop. We see here it's our same desktop that we've been working on. There's our power supply that we installed, and we connected our power supply to our motherboard. Okay, so let's take a look at a few pieces of memory. Okay, these are all different pieces. This one is a 512 megabyte piece of memory. Okay, unfortunately you can't read it here because of how close we have to get with the camera, but trust me, it is 512 megabytes. Okay. We also have a 1 gigabyte piece of memory here. Okay. Notice that these two look very, very similar. Okay. The only difference is one's 512, one's 1 gig. Okay. And then we also have a smaller one that's actually 2 gigs of memory. Okay. Does it have to be smaller to get more memory in it? No, not necessarily. This is just how this one actually came. Okay. So now that we've seen what memory kind of looks like, let's go ahead and try to install them. You're going to install them in these slots right here. See these little black slots right here? They have the white and black tabs, and the tabs, or the clamps, are used to secure your memory into your system. Okay, because otherwise, if they're not secure, then hey, you could be using it and it just pop out, and system failure. So let's go ahead and try to install it. I'm going to install the 2 gig first. Okay, they have to be installed securely and correctly. The clamps have to clamp down on them to make sure that they don't move. Okay, I'm going to install the 512 megabyte. Okay, and you do have to put some pressure, a little bit of pressure on them, just to make sure that they fit snug in there. Okay, and then last, the 1 gigabyte. Okay, as I said, you have to put some pressure on it. You don't want to put too much pressure because they are delicate pieces of your computer. So if you put too much pressure, you could snap them. So you don't want to just try to force them in there if they're not trying to fit. But you do have to put a little bit of pressure on to get them to fit in the slots. Okay, so this was basically what memory is in your computer and how to install it.